and welcome to another edition of Cooking Unlocked. Tonight we are going to be making cornbread. And everything doesn't have to be made from scratch. I am a gluten-free consumer and many of my family members are vegan consumers, and it's really easy to take things that are partially homemade and make it so that it fits with your entire family. So I am using the delicious Red Mills gluten-free cornbread mix. So it tells you what it needs, but obviously we need to modify it a little bit. So it says that you take the entire package of the gluten-free cornbread mix, and then it needs 1.5 cups of milk. Well, we're going to use almond milk. And then it needs 2 eggs. We're not using that. We're going to use creamed corn. It adds moisture, it adds some fantastic body, and it adds a lot of what the eggs will give, but not quite enough. So we are also going to do a tablespoon of baking powder. Back to reading that. It also says 1/2 cup of butter. Well, we're going to use our vegan margarine. So step 1, have all ingredients at room temperature. Step 2, place cornbread mix in large bowl. Add milk, eggs, and butter or oil, and mix until blended, then mix vigorously for 30 seconds more. And we begin. I kid. Always shake your almond milk. I love it. I mean, it's true. It's so important. Double checking. So we have got our cornbread mix, our milk, our eggs, our butter, and obviously our baking powder and our cream corn. That's the vigorous part. So of course I have preheated my oven so that it is ready to accept my cornbread. Alright, so let us take a seasoned pan. We have olive oil down our cornbread dish, and we are putting our mixture in. Now, something that is not on the package is honey. I'm a big fan of honeyed cornbread. A lot of people like to put the sugar on top. I like honey. I think it makes a beautiful, beautiful difference to your cornbread. So I'm just drizzling it directly over the top. And then I'm going to put this beautiful cornbread in the oven. And let's go. 25 minutes, let's set the timer. Here we are, 25 minutes, and it's time to pull our delicious gluten-free and vegan cornbread out of the oven. Let's do it. Ooh, look at that. A little honey to finish it off. That's some melty goodness. That is so good. I have to finish going. That is the taste of home. From our home to your home. Unlocked. Enjoy.